George Clooney does not dress like a man chasing youth. He dresses like a man who knows exactly who he is. The secret is quiet tailoring, dark colors, clean grooming, and restraint. Once you understand the formula, you can look sharper after 40 without looking like you tried too hard. Tip number 1, start with a dark suit. The George Clooney look starts with a dark suit because nothing gives a man over 40 more instant authority. Navy, charcoal, black, and deep gray are the foundation. These colors slim the frame, sharpen the face, and make the whole outfit feel calmer. Clooney rarely needs bright colors because the cut does the talking. The important part is not just owning a suit, it is owning a suit that respects your body now. After 40, fit matters more than trend. A jacket should sit clean on the shoulders. The sleeves should show a little shirt cuff. The waist should shape the body without pulling. The trousers should fall straight, not cling to the legs or bunch around the shoes. A dark suit should feel powerful, but not stiff. You are not trying to look like you are going to court every day. You are trying to look prepared, composed, and quietly expensive. That is why the Corneliani Academy navy suit works well for this style. It has that clean grown man shape without feeling loud, and it is linked in the description. When you wear it, keep everything simple. White shirt, dark brown shoes, black shoes, maybe no tie. Let the suit create the presence. The biggest mistake is adding too much. Loud pocket square, flashy belt, bright shirt, strange shoes. That pulls the outfit away from Clooney and into costume. His style is not built on decoration. It is built on control. Start with one dark suit that fits beautifully and half the wardrobe becomes easier. This is the piece you wear when you do not want to explain your taste. It already speaks for you. Clean tailoring makes age look like advantage, not something you are trying to hide. Tip number 2, wear shirts open, not sloppy. Clooney often wears shirts without ties, but he almost never looks unfinished. That is the lesson. The open collar works because the shirt is still crisp. The collar has shape, the fabric is clean. The fit follows the body. The top buttons are relaxed, but the rest of the outfit still looks intentional. This is the balance many men miss. They remove the tie, then the shirt becomes too casual, the collar collapses, the sleeves puff out, the body hangs loose. Suddenly, the outfit does not look relaxed. It looks tired. For men over 40, an open shirt can be one of the most useful style moves. It makes tailoring feel less corporate. It gives the neck and face a more natural frame. It lets the outfit breathe. White is the safest choice. Pale blue is softer. Black is stronger at night. Light gray can work if the rest of the outfit is dark and sharp. The fit should be comfortable, not tight. You should be able to sit down and move, but the shirt should not billow around the waist. The shoulder seam should sit where your shoulder ends. The sleeve should end at the wrist bone. Also, be careful with the neckline. 1 or 2 buttons open is enough. More than that starts to look forced unless you are on holiday by the water. Clooney's shirt style works because it is mature ease, not nightclub energy. Keep the collar pressed, keep the fabric plain, and avoid anything too shiny. A simple open shirt should look like confidence, not like you forgot the final step. This is where quiet dressing starts to feel deliberate. With the shirt controlled, the darker side of the wardrobe starts to become much more powerful. Tip number 3, use black like a weapon. Black is one of the strongest tools in the Clooney wardrobe. He does not use it to look young or edgy. He uses it to look controlled. A black shirt under a dark suit, a black polo with tailored trousers, a black knit under a gray blazer. These combinations feel simple, but they carry weight. They make the outfit look deliberate without needing print, logos, or decoration. For men over 40, black can be very flattering when it is handled properly. It cleans up the silhouette. It makes casual pieces look sharper. It also gives the face more presence, especially when the grooming is neat. But black can fail quickly. A faded black t-shirt looks old. A shiny black shirt looks cheap. A tight black outfit looks like you were trying too hard. The Clooney version is matte, clean, and relaxed. The Sunspel black Riviera Polo is a strong example because it gives you the black shirt effect in a softer, more casual way. Wear it with gray trousers, a navy jacket, or even dark denim if the fit is sharp. The trick is to let black stay quiet. Do not pair it with flashy belts, bright sneakers, or loud watches. Keep the rest of the look calm. If you are unsure, try this formula. Black polo, charcoal trousers, clean leather shoes, no extra drama. That is enough. Clooney's black outfits work because they do not ask for attention. They assume it. This is why black should not be your panic color. It should be your precision color. Use it when you want the whole outfit to feel sharper, calmer, and more masculine. When the fit is right, black does not hide you. It frames you. That is the difference between dressing dark and dressing well. Tip number 4, master the gray blazer. The gray blazer is one of the easiest ways to look like you understand mature style. It is less formal than a full suit, softer than black, and more interesting than basic office navy. Clooney often uses pieces like this because they sit between dressed up and relaxed. That is exactly where men over 40 usually need help. You may not want to wear a suit every day, but you also do not want to live in hoodies and tired jackets. A gray blazer gives you structure without making the outfit feel stiff. The shade matters. Light gray feels fresh in warm weather. Mid gray is the most flexible. Charcoal feels stronger at night. If you want the safest version, choose a medium or dark gray with a little texture. Texture keeps the jacket from looking flat. Wear it with a white shirt and dark trousers for a clean dinner look. Wear it with a black polo for a more relaxed evening look. Wear it with dark jeans only if the jeans are simple and the shoes are polished. The blazer should not look like half of a business suit. That is the danger. Look for softer shoulders, better fabric, and a cut that can stand on its own. A good gray blazer should make a plain outfit look intentional. It should frame the shoulders, clean up the waist, and give your casual clothes more dignity. Do not overstyle it. No loud scarf, no giant pocket square, no strange contrast buttons if you can avoid them. The gray blazer works best when it looks calm. That quiet shape is what makes the outfit feel expensive without looking rehearsed. Once the jacket has done its job, the trousers need to keep the same quiet discipline. Tip number 5, keep trousers clean and straight. Clooney's trousers rarely shout, and that is why they matter. A man over 40 can wear a great jacket, a good shirt, and strong shoes. But if the trousers are wrong, the whole outfit loses control. Trousers carry the line of the body. They decide whether you look sharp or careless. The Clooney formula is simple. Clean waist, straight fall, no heavy bunching, no extreme skinny cut, no puddle of fabric at the shoe. This does not mean your trousers need to be stiff. They can be comfortable, they can have stretch, they can be easy to wear, but they still need shape. The Lululemon ABC Slim Fit Warpstreme trouser fits this idea well because it gives comfort without looking like gym clothing. It works for travel, dinner, casual offices, and days when jeans feel too lazy. The color should stay calm. Navy, charcoal, dark gray, stone, taupe, and black are the most useful. Avoid loud checks unless the rest of the outfit is extremely simple. Length is also important. The trouser should touch the shoe lightly or stop with a clean, small break. Too much stacking makes the leg look shorter and the outfit look unfinished. For men over 40, this is one of the fastest style upgrades. You do not need a dramatic wardrobe, you need trousers that fit like you made a decision. When the trousers are clean, even a simple polo looks more polished. Even a basic shirt looks sharper. Even sneakers can look more adult. Clooney's style is not complicated here, he just avoids the messy middle. Not too tight, not too loose, not too long, not too loud. That restraint is what makes the whole silhouette feel taller, cleaner, and more expensive without needing any obvious statement piece. Tip number 6. Replace loud casual wear with polos. Casual style is where many men over 40 lose the plot. They dress well for formal events, then on normal days they fall back into old t-shirts, tired hoodies, baggy jeans, and sneakers that look too sporty for the rest of their life. Clooney's casual style avoids that problem because it still has structure. The polo is one of the easiest pieces to borrow from him. A polo gives you a collar, which immediately makes the outfit feel more grown up. It frames the face better than a crew neck t-shirt. It works with trousers, jeans, loafers, sneakers, and jackets. It can look relaxed without looking lazy. The best versions are plain. Navy, white, black, gray, olive, and soft beige are the safest. Avoid giant logos, contrast collars, bright stripes, and anything that looks like a golf uniform from a corporate retreat. Fit is everything. The shoulder seam should sit correctly. The sleeve should touch the middle of the upper arm. The body should skim, not cling. If the polo grabs the stomach, size up or choose a better cut. If it hangs like a rectangle, it loses the point. A polo with tailored trousers is one of the simplest over 40 outfits a man can wear. It says you are relaxed but still aware of how you present yourself. This is the heart of Clooney's off-duty style. He does not dress like a teenager. He does not dress like he has given up. He finds the middle lane. That is the sweet spot for men over 40. Comfortable, masculine, simple, and still polished enough for a good restaurant, a flight, or a weekend walk. You feel easy, but you still look considered. Once casual wear looks controlled, the outer layer can add even more character. Tip number 7, choose jackets with purpose. A good jacket can make a simple outfit look complete. Clooney understands this. His outerwear is usually clean, masculine, and useful. He does not rely on strange details. He relies on shape, texture, and confidence. For men over 40, this is important because outerwear can either sharpen you or make you look bulky. A suede jacket can soften the outfit while still looking expensive. A leather jacket can add strength, but only when it is simple. A wool overcoat can make winter dressing look elegant. A bomber can work if it is neat, not oversized or covered in hardware. The Todd Snyder Dylan suede jacket is a good example of the relaxed Clooney direction. It has texture, structure, and that easy weekend feeling without becoming sloppy. It is linked in the description. When choosing jackets, think about purpose. Do you need something for evening? Go darker and cleaner. Do you need something casual? Choose suede, cotton, or refined bomber. Do you need something over tailoring? Choose a proper coat with enough length. Avoid jackets that try too hard, too many zippers, too much distressing, oversized collars, fake military patches, huge logos. These details can make a grown man look less refined. Clooney's best jackets feel timeless because they are not chasing attention. They make the outfit feel finished. A white shirt and trousers can look plain on their own. Add the right suede jacket and suddenly it feels like a full look. A black polo and dark trousers can be simple. Add a clean leather jacket and it becomes evening casual. The jacket should never fight the outfit, it should give it direction. That is why one excellent jacket is better than 5 noisy ones. It gives you identity without making the outfit feel forced. Tip number 8, wear shoes that look adult. Shoes reveal whether the outfit is truly finished. Clooney's footwear is usually simple. Black dress shoes, brown leather shoes, loafers, Chelsea boots. Clean sneakers when the outfit is casual enough. Nothing looks random. For men over 40, the goal is not to own the flashiest shoe. The goal is to own shoes that respect the outfit. With a dark suit, choose a clean black or dark brown dress shoe. With a blazer and trousers, loafers can look relaxed and elegant. With dark jeans, a Chelsea boot can add structure. With casual trousers, a minimal sneaker can work if it is truly clean. The common projects. Achilles sneaker fits the refined casual lane because it is plain, low, and easy to pair with simple trousers. But even then, it only works if the rest of the outfit is sharp. A good sneaker cannot save a lazy outfit. Avoid bulky running shoes with tailoring. They usually break the line. Avoid square-toe dress shoes. They age the whole look. Avoid shoes that are badly worn, even if the outfit above them is expensive. Polish matters. The sole should not be destroyed. The leather should not look dry. White sneakers should actually be white. Suede should be brushed. Clooney's style depends on calm details, and shoes are one of those details. They do not need to announce themselves. They need to prove that you noticed. When the shoes are right, the outfit feels grounded. The jacket makes sense. The trousers fall better. The whole look becomes quieter and stronger. That is the standard. Nothing loud, nothing neglected, nothing that pulls the eye down for the wrong reason. After the shoes are handled, the smallest details decide whether the outfit feels elegant or overdone. Tip number 9, keep accessories minimal. Clooney's accessories are almost always restrained. That is why they work. A classic watch, simple sunglasses, a clean leather belt, maybe a pocket square, but only when the outfit needs it. Nothing feels crowded. Nothing looks like it was added to prove money. For men over 40, accessories should support maturity. They should not make the outfit noisy. This is where many men go wrong. They buy a good jacket, then add a loud belt buckle. They wear a clean shirt, then add too many bracelets. They put on a sharp suit, then choose sunglasses that look more like a costume than a classic frame. The Clooney rule is simple. If the accessory does not make the outfit cleaner, stronger, or more elegant, leave it out. A watch should look adult, not oversized. Sunglasses should fit your face, not dominate it. A belt should match the formality of the shoes. A pocket square should be subtle, not folded like a decoration at a wedding hall. Color matters here too. Black leather is sharper, brown leather is warmer. Silver metal is usually safer than anything too flashy. Gold can work, but it needs restraint. Accessories are also about condition. A cracked belt, scratched sunglasses, or dirty watch strap can quietly weaken the outfit. Clooney looks polished because the small things never fight the main idea. The main idea is calm confidence. You are not trying to look decorated. You are trying to look considered. That is the difference between style and display. For men over 40, fewer accessories usually look more expensive. The goal is not to wear everything you own. The goal is to choose only what makes the outfit feel complete. A strong outfit should let the man arrive first, not the accessories. Tip number 10, grooming completes the look. The final part of the Clooney style is not clothing. It is grooming. The clothes work because the face, hair, and beard match the same level of control. His hair can be gray, but it is clean. His beard can look relaxed, but it is shaped. His skin looks maintained, not ignored. For men over 40, this is non-negotiable. You can wear the best suit in the room, but if the haircut is messy, the beard line is rough, and the skin looks dry, the outfit loses authority. Grooming is the frame around the clothes. The good news is that it does not need to be complicated. Keep the haircut regular. Do not wait until it collapses. If you have a beard, define the neckline and cheek line. If you are clean-shaven, keep it clean. Wash your face properly. Use moisturizer. Use sunscreen during the day. Keep nails clean. Keep fragrance subtle. Gray hair is not the problem. Bad grooming is the problem. Clooney proves that age can become part of the style. The gray hair adds presence because the rest of the look is controlled. The clothing is simple. The grooming is clean. The attitude is calm. That is the real formula. Do not dress like you are trying to erase time. Dress like you have used time well. A man over 40 should not chase every trend. He should sharpen the things that already make him look strong. Dark suits, open shirts, clean trousers, quiet jackets, adult shoes, minimal accessories, better grooming. That is how you dress like George Clooney without copying him. You take the principle, then make it yours. The result is not a costume. It is a cleaner, sharper version of the man you already are. If you want to look sharper after 40, start with one clean outfit and build slowly. Like the video, subscribe for more practical men's style guides, and watch the next video on your screen. The key items are linked in the description so you can compare them easily later today.